Hello
Hello
everyone,
everyone, मेरा नाम है साहिल
this is Rahul.
and you're watching.
Dual Lens Cricket. So the quarter-final India versus West Indies Super 8 का most speculated match, which was a thrilling encounter, happened because this was a game which was going to decide the fate of Indian team. And
Absolutely.
a really, really fortunate day that a guy named Sanju Samson turned up on the day. Chetta, our beloved Chetta, played as absolute 97s knock. And in Indian history, some 97s are actually special. And I think there's something with the number 97. So that
Absolutely.
was the thing that we saw. And कैसे
Absolutely.
लगा साहिल तुझे वो इनिंग्स संजू सैमसन का?
अमेजिंग अमेजिंग मतलब क्या बोले जैसे जैसे ही केप्ट ऑन प्लेइंग अब थॉमसन क्या मार रहा है क्या मार रहा है अभिषेक केम ही वेंट अवे ईशान किशन केम ही वेंट अवे स्काई दादा केम ही वेंट अवे संजू जस्ट केप्ट हिटिंग एक पॉइंट आया मुझे लगा कि अब जिता देगा संजू जो फॉर्म में खेल रहा था आई वाज जस्ट विशिंग कि भाई कैच ना आ जाए किसी भी पॉइंट पे एंड नहीं भाई व्हाट अ प्ले पिछले ही वीडियो में हम लोग बात कर रहे थे राहुल कि there is something Sanju is that missing link है ना which somehow connects things and works out for the team and this match में we got to see India versus West Indies Sanju Samson this match will be known for Sanju Samson what is your take on it.
The highest individual score in T20 World Cups. Like beating Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma is a very big thing. Like Virat
Correct.
Kohli ke 82 ke knocks was something that were remembered for. And
Correct.
Sanju surpassing that was a very, very big moment for him. So
Correct. Correct.
hats off Sanju Samson. What a knock, and we absolutely loved watching you. So
Absolutely.
शुरू से start करते हैं about the game. India versus West Indies. India won the toss and actually elected to bowl first. एंड इट वाज अ मूव जहां पे ऐसे लगा कि इंडिया इज आल्सो चैलेंजिंग देमसेल्व्स कि जो भी टारगेट आएगा भले
Correct.
प्रेशर सिचुएशन है बट वी आर बैकिंग आवर बैटिंग दैट वी आर गोइंग टू
Hmm.
गो एंड चेज डाउन द टोटल एंड
Correct.
अगेंस्ट अ डेंजरस टीम लाइक वेस्ट इंडीज हु गॉट सच अ लेवल ऑफ पावर हिटर्स तो दैट वाज अ मूव जहां पे थोड़ा चीजें डाइसी भी हो सकती थी एंड actually the way things started also West Indies was also not losing their wickets. They were controlling their batsmen and ऐसा मतलब वो ऐसी स्टार्ट थी कि जहाँ पे दोनों टीम्स फाइट पुट ऑन कर रही थी ऐसा वन
Correct.
साइड
Correct.
फर्स्ट पावर प्ले में भी यू कैन सी तो इट वाज
Yeah,
अ
yeah, yeah.
हेल्दी कॉन्टेस्ट व्हिच वाज गोइंग ऑन द प्लानिंग दैट आई लाइक्ड अबाउट इंडिया वाज कि वो लोग जसप्रीत बुमराह एंड वरुण चक्रवर्ती के ओवर सेव कर रहे थे बिकॉज दे
Correct.
वांटेड
Yes.
कि अपन जो नेक्स्ट 10 ओवर्स रहेंगे उसमें अटैक देम सो
Correct.
सिमरन हिटमायर भी आना बाकी था उनके और लोअर डाउन द ऑर्डर जो पावर हिटर्स है वो भी आने बाकी थे
Correct.
रॉबिन पॉवेल एंड ऑल तो हम लोग उनके लिए बचा रहे थे चीजें एंड प्लान somehow worked also. Simran Hetmeyer actually like Jasprit Bumrah actually took him out and
Correct.
that was the time where मतलब अपन ने literally मैच के हाई स्कोरिंग गेम ऑल्दो इट वाज अ हाई स्कोरिंग गेम इवेंचुअली लेकिन जिस लेवल का वो जा सकता था उससे अपन ने एक सॉर्ट ऑफ वी हैड पुल्ड इट डाउन तो दैट वाज अ
Correct.
रियली ग्रेट मूव
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली एंड वो दिख भी रहा था कि वो प्लान में भी दिख रहा था कि सम ऑफ द बॉलर्स सच एज वरुण चक्रवर्ती बुमराह आर वर्किंग सो एज यू सेड कि वी वर ट्राइंग टू सेव देयर ओवर्स एंड बॉलर्स लाइक हार्दिक अक्षर पटेल इन सबको ऑप्शंस चांसेस दिया जा रहा था टू
पहले
कंटिन्यू बॉलिंग इन द फर्स्ट फ्यू ओवर्स एब्सोल्युटली
लाइक प्लानिंग ऐसी थी कि वेस्ट इंडीज का जो आर्क है उससे दूर रखना है तो हमें फटाफट ओवर्स मतलब निकाल लेने हैं इसको बाद में
करेक्ट
जसप्रीत बुमराह विल टेक केयर ऑफ थिंग्स वरुण चक्रवर्ती विल टेक केयर ऑफ द थिंग्स तो
करेक्ट
समवेयर प्लान वर्कड कि मतलब यू नो देयर वर सम कैच ड्रॉप्स एंड ड्यू टू दैट ऐसा हुआ कि जो बैट्समैन जिनका स्ट्राइक रेट इतना बड़ा नहीं है दे
करेक्ट
दे स्टेड ऑन द विकेट फॉर मोर टाइम तो इंडिया के लिए वो चीज एक एडवांटेज बन गया so उनके जो player है Shea Hope so he stayed for long so that's why India got a advantage कि India could actually save some runs यहाँ पे so
करेक्ट
that worked well for India but somewhere like the plan was कि वरुण चक्रवर्ती को last 10 overs में लाके we had to put pressure on West Indies but somehow
करेक्ट
they tackled Varun Chakravarti very well. Varun Chakravarti didn't take that many wickets and even
करेक्ट
economy भी 10 की थी तो
करेक्ट
एक एक थोड़ा एक साइन ऑफ कंसर्न है कि वरुण चक्रवर्ती का फॉर्म लास्ट 2-3 मैचेस में इतना हिट कर नहीं रहा है एंड नाउ वी हैव द नॉकआउट्स व्हिच आर कमिंग सो we'll want कि वरुण चक्रवर्ती is back in the mix he gets back in
करेक्ट
his prime form because that will be really crucial for our knockout games so
करेक्ट
that's
करेक्ट
the thing that I'll be hoping for कि वरुण चक्रवर्ती is back in form
I believe majority of the teams have started to understand and pick Varun Chakravarti at this point. है ना? The mystery spinner. I mean,
शायद
even though
yes.
he took a few wickets, and for the longest time he had the best economy as well. But yes, I believe the mystery spinner or that spell sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. What about Hardik's economy and bowling? What do you have to say to that?
Yeah, even Hardik wasn't, Hardik hasn't performed that great in bowling like ये वाले मैच में. So
Correct.
somewhere मतलब ऐसे देखा जाए तो ओवरऑल सबकी इकोनॉमी 10 के पार ही थी. Like only
Correct.
Akshar Patel bowled really good and Bumrah bowled amazingly 4 overs 36 पे 2.
Would you say
So
Akshar Patel bowled really good? Because Akshar Patel के हर ओवर में पहला बॉल चौका 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 ही पड़ा है. So would you say he
but
bowled really good?
but at the end he covered up ना कि 4 overs में
Correct.
35 ही दिए in a match where
Correct.
there were like power hitters from West Indies. तो उस
Correct.
एंगल से तो बहुत ही अच्छा मतलब अक्षर पटेल ने
Correct.
कवर अप किया.
Correct.
तो लाइक स्टिल मतलब जो 10 ओवर्स में इंडिया वाज प्लेइंग गुड फर्स्ट 10 ओवर्स में,
Hmm.
बट लास्ट 10 ओवर्स में इवन वेस्ट इंडीज केम बैक रियली गुड एंड जो टोटल बन गया लास्ट में 196 का, सो दैट वाज नॉट अ वेरी इजी टारगेट इन वर्ल्ड कप्स. अगर
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah,
वर्ल्ड
yeah.
कप में व्हेनेवर स्कोर गोज बियॉन्ड 180 या 185 तो इट्स लाइक इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक कि यार मतलब अबॉर्ट
Correct.
अबॉर्ट
Correct.
व्हाट इज गोना हैपन.
Yeah.
सो उस एंगल पे चीजें पहुंच गई थी एंड बहुत नर्वसनेस भी होगी इंडियन कैंप में कि इतना बड़ा टोटल कभी चेज नहीं हुआ है एंड वी नीड टू
Correct. Exactly.
go after that.
Exactly. In the last couple of matches, actually, India has never been able to chase 175 and above. Right? So
Yeah,
the
yeah.
moment they set the total or the target, आई न्यू कि और चेज में इंडिया कभी इतनी अच्छी रही भी नहीं है एटलीस्ट इस कैंपेन में. तो इंडिया की बॉलिंग ऑर्डर काफी अच्छी रही है. दे हैव मेड श्योर टू लिमिट द ओवरऑल स्कोर, बट चेज में इतना कुछ कैंपेन में अच्छा दिखा नहीं है. एंड एक्चुअली जिस तरीके के एक्सपेक्टेशंस हमारे बैटिंग ऑर्डर ने सेट की थी ना, वो दिखना चालू भी हो गया इन द फर्स्ट फ्यू ओवर्स इटसेल्फ. अब ठीक है, अभी कितनी बार वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द सेम थिंग, बट राहुल आई वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग. तू काले को काला बोलेगा क्या?
काले को काला, हाँ मतलब
हाँ.
या
हाँ. गोरे को गोरा,
हाँ
मोटे को मोटा.
हाँ.
हाँ. तो discussing Abhishek Sharma right now in a negative light, would it be bad or not? Because how many more chances? और इस मैच में he dropped 2 catches at the same time without really performing anything else. So what do you say to that? What do you say to, I mean, obviously, again, the same question is they are not going to drop him because of his past record and really good performance, and because of the statement, agar chala to bahut chalega. But what is your take on this? What's happening right now, or what has happened in this campaign? ठीक है, poor performance, poor spell, poor time, हर किसी का आता है. Literally हर legendary player का कोई ना कोई phase रहा है where they haven't performed and वो come back, क्या बात है, पटाखे फोड़ो. But what about this series like this, which are really important for us? Such a performance in this, what is your take on it?
Yeah, so actually at this moment now I'm feeling कि if he's dropped somewhere, it shouldn't be something that should come as a shocker if that happens, because somewhere he will also have that thing that he had the chances but things didn't work out.
Correct.
So even if he gets dropped, तो now people won't feel bad इतना कि he मतलब अभिषेक शर्मा को drop किया गया. Although I know that he will still not be dropped, he will be still trusted because of the things that he has done over the last 2-3 years.
Correct.
They will still back him, and they will, and that's a message that Indian team needs to have, that we need to back our players. We need to back players who have the potential.
Correct.
And mid campaign में बहुत ज़्यादा changes, and that too at a stage where now things are moving towards knockouts. So it is very difficult कि बहुत ज़्यादा changes हो. So I still believe that he won't be dropped from the team. लेकिन if by chance he's dropped, then even Indian fans will feel कि शायद fair है कि
Fair है, reasonable.
And at the end of the day, the campaign matters. Our games matter, and it now it doesn't become a sport of individuals. When things
Correct.
go to the business end, when things are actually serious, that time it's about the team sport. It's about the best combination that we need to play. So मेरा take
Absolutely.
वही है that anything that happens, we should be accepting the fact कि okay, maybe this is the best for the team. Yeah, but Indian batting lineup में like there was nobody actually, played that great apart from Sanju Samson. So wickets were tumbling down, and then Sanju Samson, just calmed himself. And there were some messages from dugout also कि Sanju, you need to be there. सब ऐसे actions कर रहे थे.
Yeah,
Believe in
yeah.
yourself. And he was the man. वो दिन के लिए he was the man. He was the guy who was going to stand out for Indian team, who was going to anchor that innings.
Yeah.
And वो किया.
Correct.
When wickets were falling, उसके सारे शॉट्स ग्राउंडेड शॉट्स आए, सारे टेक्निकल संजू सैमसन हमें दिखा है. एंड
Correct.
दैट वाज द need of the hour. We wanted
Correct.
someone to anchor our innings. We wanted someone to take calculative risks, and that's what Sanju Samson did, and that
Absolutely.
worked out amazingly well for India. And
Absolutely.
and I
Absolutely.
also want to appreciate the knock of Tilak Verma actually.
Hmm.
Tilak Verma's small cameo also helped India to get back. Like
Correct.
there was situation where India needed to accelerate. So Tilak Verma का एक छोटा सा knock also helped. And even at the end वो दो boundaries from Shivam Dube in the
Correct.
second last over was very very important. क्योंकि
Correct.
although match was building up, लेकिन स्टिल संजू के लिए भी प्रेशर है. इट इज अ वर्ल्ड कप
Correct.
क्वार्टर फाइनल जैसा सिचुएशन.
Correct.
Those two boundaries was pure gold.
Correct. I also would like to put some light or attention to Shivam Dube's two boundaries. Those two fours, they were really important. And when I heard Bumrah's statement about this, I resonated with it a lot. I knew at that point that we have won the match, right? And as
Yes.
Bumrah said, ki it is not a play that will be in the records or people will talk about it, and we can see that happening. I mean, not a lot of people are talking about Shivam Dube's contribution to this, but I personally believe at such a crucial moment where so much pressure is there, two back-to-back boundaries, amazing. What else do you
Amazing.
want after that? Yes, it
उसी
gave
चीज ने
that confidence.
उसी चीज ने प्रेशर रिलीफ कर दिया था कि लास्ट ओवर
Yeah.
में नाउ देयर आर लेस नंबर ऑफ रन्स, एंड फिर संजू ने वो मैच फिनिश कर दिया.
Absolutely.
So totally
What a style.
Sanju Samson show. It was a Sanju Samson night, Eden
Correct.
Gardens. Yeah.
Correct.
Great game.
Correct.
A one to remember in the history books.
Correct.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And it also followed the same kind of patterns we have been looking, and हमने बात भी की है इस बारे में कि how कैसे हर एक मैच में you need a savior or knight in shining armor or someone to go ahead and save, which is great.
Yes.
टू सी ऑन द स्क्रीन कि क्या बात है, ईशान किशन ने इस बार मारा, स्काई दादा इस बार मार के गए, संजू सैमसन लेट्स गो, कम बैक हो गया, बहुत मजा आया. बट हाउ ऐसे हम कब तक सस्टेन करेंगे, स्पेशली व्हेन वी विल प्ले अगेंस्ट इंग्लैंड नाउ. सो I don't think so. This strategy of one savior saving the entire
Yeah.
team, even though it is a team sport, I get it. But I think batting order में still वो depth नहीं है, still वो consistency नहीं है, and we do not want one hero at this point, right? I
Yes,
believe
yes, that's very
it's-
important. कि
Yeah.
there should be multiple heroes who come out in the batting lineup, and
हाँ.
ऐसे सिर्फ one man show नहीं चाहिए हमें in the knockouts. We want कि things actually work out really good. We want the
Correct.
batting lineup to show up and actually pull off the game.
Correct.
So the semi-finals is at Wankhede, India versus England. Our fingers will be crossed. We'll be backing our men in blue, and
Absolutely.
stay tuned, guys. We'll be covering the match, and it will be a very thrilling encounter, India versus England, because England is a very strong team when it comes to T20Is. So
Absolutely.
we need to be very careful, and it will be a fun game.
Yes, absolutely. On that hopeful note, yes, guys, we'll see you soon. Please like, subscribe, share. Please let us know in your comments what your thoughts are. What are some of the things we need to make better? What are some of the things we should start including? Or just let us know if there is anything that you're appreciating and you're liking in the way we are making these videos. On that note, 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.